I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get $1,099 from Robinhood only ways. Open the Robinhood app, sign in, tap Account, then Tax Documents to access your Form 1099 immediately. If you have multiple accounts, check each one for separate 1099 files. Save the PDF to your device and email a copy to yourself for safekeeping. If anything looks wrong, contact Robinhood support promptly for corrections and next steps. To retrieve your Form 1099, go to Account and choose Tax Documents on mobile or web. Look for the year and type, such as Form 1099B for trades or Form 1099 MISC for other income. Click the document to download the PDF and save it to a folder you can find later. If you use tax software, upload the PDF directly or forward the file to your tax preparer for accurate reporting and filing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I mentioned. They save time and keep snacks tidy while you handle taxes. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can shop what I used. I like to share tools that make life simpler, and now let's get back to the video. If your Form 1099 is missing, first confirm your email and contact details in account settings. Make sure you had reportable activity during the year, since inactive accounts may not generate a 1099. If the document is present but shows incorrect amounts, gather trade confirmations and statements before contacting Robinhood support. Keep records organized to speed resolution, and consider speaking with a tax professional if adjustments impact your filing or refunds significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.